Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all summer anti-inflammatory diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 10 kgs very easily. Now recently my lots of clients asked for such a diet plan where they can lose 10 kgs easily but with anti-inflammatory diet plan. So here is the complete diet plan that they followed and the results are as you can see here. The results have been amazing, the transformation is superbly crazy, and in very less time they were able to see a huge inch loss, fat loss, great skin benefits, hair health benefits, and trust me, the weight loss has been super easy as well. If you want your personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number which is 6284306222 or directly go in the description box below. Click the description box link given out and reach out to me on WhatsApp and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me and begin the transformation happening. So without any delay, let's get started with summer anti-inflammatory diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 10 kgs very easily. And here are some rules of summer anti-inflammatory diet plan. So basically we'll be having no sugar drinks, no packaged juice, no fried snacks, no bakery items at all during this journey of our weight loss. No maida, excessive dairy products or alcohol of any kind. Include protein in every meal. In this diet plan, I'll make sure that every meal of yours has good amount of protein into it. 3 to 4 liters of water daily because it's summer and definitely hydration is the key. Walk or aim for almost 8 to 10,000 steps every single day. I can show you the results that my clients have been having once they start completing their target of every single day of 8 to 10,000 steps. Plus early dinner. Make sure your dinner is approximately at 7 to 8 p.m. If you go to the office, carry your dinner. If you cannot have dinner in the office, try to have as early as possible before going to bed. And these are the rules of our summer in anti-inflammatory diet plan. And now we proceed towards the early morning drink of this diet plan and hence giving you the options as well. The first option is you can simply choose the jeera and soft water. All you have to do is simply boil 1 teaspoon jeera and 1 teaspoon soft in 1 glass of water. Boil it for 4 to 5 minutes and your anti-inflammatory drink is ready. It helps with your belly fat loss and people suffering from acidity works amazingly well with soft water. So try this drink for your early morning drink. And second option is if you cannot have this, then you can always try to have my ginger turmeric water. All I've done here is simply in a glass of water I'll be boiling ginger. This is freshly grated ginger or amba haldi as you can call it. Along with that I'll be adding of course ginger. This is again freshly grated ginger. Boil it for 4 to 5 minutes and have it empty stomach. Works amazingly well for PCOD, PCOS, healing properties, immune system boosting in all of it. Along with this, add 4 soaked almonds and 2 walnuts. Really great for your brain development and heart health as well. And now we proceed towards our breakfast options for this diet plan. For breakfast, I'll be giving you 3 options out here which my clients love having every single day. All I've done here is first option is chia mango yogurt bowl. Mango is in the season and why restrict yourself when you can do weight loss along with mango. All I've done here is taken some Greek yogurt. These are 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Along with that I'm adding here chia seeds, small portion of mango and plus pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. Now this mix it all well and your chia mango yogurt bowl is ready. Tastes super yum, super weight loss oriented. You can even add a scoop of protein powder to this if you like it so, or skip if you don't want it to. But trust me, this option is very great for your weight loss. Second option is you can always have besan chila, but yes, with the paneer filling. You can definitely add paneer filling to this. Besan chila again itself is a very low carbohydrates and great for your energy level boosting food also. So you can have 2 besan chilas. Along with that add approximately 100 grams of paneer filling to this. Now I basically like to make it in a sandwich form because it's quick to carry also and definitely takes pretty less time when you're getting ready for the office. So all I've done here is taken the besan batter normally, pour it up in the toaster which is basically you can get from the market very easily. Along with that I'm adding here paneer filling to this and your sandwich is ready. Very low in carbohydrates, works amazingly for fat loss, and trust me, when you want to carry something for your office, this is the food that you want to carry. And now we proceed towards our third option for this diet plan. Simply you can have smoothie of your choice. Now I have lots and lots of smoothie recipes on my channel. My personal favorite for this season being the watermelon slush. It gives you such a cooling effect in the body and trust me, great for weight loss also. Gives great hydration benefits as well. So you can have this option for your breakfast for summer anti-inflammatory diet plan. And now we proceed towards our mid-morning snack option which comes comes between our breakfast and lunchtime. If you feel hunger pangs during this time, the best option for you is to simply consume buttermilk. You can have mint lassi or chas. I have shared the complete recipe in which I'm adding 2 tablespoons of yogurt to this, or you can even simply add homemade curd or Greek yogurt as per your own choice. Along with this, I'll be adding lots and lots of ice, mint leaves, fresh, roasted jeera powder and black pepper powder. Blend it all together and your tasty and healthy mint lassi is ready. Great for anti-inflammatory benefits and amazingly proven results for weight loss as well. Second option is you can always have cucumber chopped as salad. It also gives you good hydration benefits and quick snack also. Now let's proceed towards our lunch options for this diet plan. For lunch, I'll be giving you 2 options here. The first option is my personal favorite and loved by recently all my clients out there. Now I've prepared here moong dal chila but with green moong dal, which is sabut moong dal. Soaked it prior for 2 to 3 hours. You can also soak it overnight as per your own choice. Battering it up, basically I'm adding this all to a blender, green chilies, some ginger peas and blending it all together. You can see the batter is ready for this, and now I'll be preparing a filling of this as well. For filling, I'm preparing here, this is grated beetroot. To this I'll be adding grated carrot, paneer of course. You can even add tofu as well in place of paneer if you don't like it so. Regular salt and black pepper powder, and your filling of this is ready. Making chilas of the batter. Make sure it's golden brown from both the sides out there and it's properly cooked, and to this I'll be adding the filling then. I'm adding here approximately 2 tablespoons of filling. You can add as per your own choice, but before this I also applied some Greek yogurt for taste or dressing. Cover it up and your tasty healthy chila is ready. More like a taco or a wrap as well, but trust me, this tastes super yum and super crispy also, and you will love having this option at least twice a week for your lunch. If you don't want to have as a filling, you can always simply have this moong dal chila along with sabzi, along with curd, along with salad, and you're good to go to have your tasty option for lunch. And second option now is simple and very quick to prepare. Now all of those who love having rice, they can definitely have a different form of rice which is more like a millet. Now I like having millet khichdi. I've shared the complete recipe already on my channel, which requires super minimum time to prepare this recipe. I've used here kutki, which is basically also little millet. I'm simply using 1 hour soaked kutki here. I'll be adding lots and lots of vegetables to this khichdi as well. You can add any of your own choice along with regular spices of your own choice, and then simply adding the kutki as well. Pressure cooking it for approximately 2 to 3 minutes and you're good to go to have your tasty and healthy khichdi along with curd, along with salad, and trust me, works amazingly for weight loss. And now we proceed towards our evening snack. For evening snack, I'll be giving you 3 options out there. The first option is you can simply have roasted makhanas. Approximately 20 to 30 grams of roasted makhana work amazingly well for your vitamin K, E and calcium, and you can have it along with black tea, black coffee or regular tea or coffee without any kind of sugar added to this. And for the second option, you can always have simple and very quick to prepare smoothie. Now I've already shared lots and lots of smoothie recipes on my channel. If you feel hunger pangs during this time, the smoothie is great option for your weight loss, for your fat loss, and trust me, to suppress the sugar cravings as well. You can try mango peach smoothie, you can even try mango banana smoothie or strawberry banana smoothie, or you can even have apple peanut butter banana smoothie. You can try all of these smoothie recipes for your mid-evening snack. And now we proceed towards our dinner option for this diet plan. Dinner, I'll be giving you 3 options out there. Of course, great for weight loss, super easy to prepare and yummy as well. The first option is you can always prepare for your dinner paneer stir fry. I've shared the complete recipe of paneer stir fry on my channel, which requires hardly 10 minutes to prepare this recipe. Simply I'm adding here broccoli, lots and lots of other vegetables, whatever is seasonally available at your place. Along with that, I'll be also grilling some paneer to this. Paneer, you can even marinate prior. I just simply like to have it this way, and your paneer stir fry is ready. Over this, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt for dressing, and works amazingly well for weight loss. Second option is you can always have the moong dal chila that we prepared prior. You can always have 2 of those moong dal chilas. If you like it with the stuffing or without the stuffing as per your own choice, you can even have it with mint chutney or some yogurt, and you're good to go to have your protein rich dinner. And for the third option, you can always have grilled paneer tikka or chicken tikka or soya tikka as per your own choice. My clients love having paneer tikka because trust me, it hardly prepares in 10 minutes and is super crispy, super yummy, and works amazingly for weight loss. Satiates your protein levels also, and trust me, it's super yummy. I've shared the complete recipe of paneer tikka along with vegetables how I like it so in an air fryer. You can even use a grilling pan for the same, and you can follow the recipe for dinner for this diet plan. For bedtime drink, which is basically the post dinner drink, or when you go to the bed, have this drink, which is basically chamomile tea. It really works for hormonal imbalances, it really works for insomnia also, and people suffering from bad sleep. So you can try out this chamomile tea for great benefits of immune system as well. Second option, if you cannot have this, you can always have ajwain jeera water or jeera song water, which you prepare in the morning for this time also. Works amazingly well for postpartum weight loss and also to recover yourself from any kind of ailments as well. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 3 to 4 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail to give you good hydration benefits and of course for weight loss as well. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306822, or directly click on the given description box link and reach out to me on WhatsApp, and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me and begin the transformation happening. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with. Now you can watch out all my vlogs on my other channel, which is Live with Sheena. The link is given in the description box below, and see how my weight loss journey or my postpartum journey is going with my baby. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.